AK sir, your English language tutor. Dessert. A sweet course served at the end of a meal. We had cheesecakes for dessert. What would you like for dessert? Dessert. To withdraw from or leave usually without intent to return. The soldier deserts his platoon and flees the battlefront. Breathe. Air taken into lungs and let out. He took a deep breath and began to climb the stairs. Breathe. To inhale and exhale. He was breathing heavily after his exertions. Borrow. To take or accept something with intention to return. He had borrowed a car from one of his colleagues. Land. To give something with intention of getting it back. Steward asked me to lend him my car. Compliment. Additional contribution. Your personalities complement each other. Compliment. A polite expression of praise or admiration. He complimented Erica on her appearance.